From childhood, many of us are drawn to the whisperings of the ocean and captivated by the shapes and colors of its many treasures. Remember listening to shells as a child? Instinct was telling you they had something to say. They do. And Ocean Oracle is the key to translating their message. Through seashell divination, you can listen again and understand. It may be enough to simply delight in the beauty of shells and their mollusks for all the joy they inspire. But if you listen more closely, you may also hear a deeper wisdom and achieve insights for personal empowerment and transformation. Through the awareness gained, you can reshape your future.